I watched 10,000 hours of Komi Can't Communicate. Here's Tadano's secret to charisma. Ever wonder why some people are just fun to be around? Here's the first cheat code. Stop chasing approval. He's not trying too hard. Tadano's goal isn't to be liked. He just enjoys being there. When you're having fun, people feel it too. Second, he actually listens. Tadano doesn't just hear Komi, he understands her. That's real active listening, where you care, not just reply. And finally, he's authentic. Tadano doesn't fake it. He's awkward, real, and that's why everyone feels safe around him. Don't force a fake smile. Give yourself a reason to smile. Share the random thought, the weird joke. Real recognizes real, so yeah, have fun. Listen, be real. The Tadano mindset. Low-key simple, high-key powerful. Follow for more quick boosts.